How was it with Jeff?
Revealing. He said you had something for me.
Ah, yeah. Just some standard equipment. First things first, a hacked ID. If you get caught with this thing, you're in trouble. Got it?
Got it.
Good. I'll also set up a cloud call encryption for you. And we're done. For now. You're off the data radar. Any questions?
Yeah.
Well then. Welcome to the other side of the law. Go to the terminal, and I'll show you a couple of our tricks. I'll show you how to take control of a search drone. Go. You're in. Look at everything. Get a feel for the system. Get to know the controls first. Good. We're searching for a Jack someone. He works for a virtual reality company. See if you can find him. He's bald and has a beard. If the pictures we have are still accurate. That's not him. Keep looking.
Okay, so bald and a beard. Jack something. No Jack and no VR person.
And we're done.
Who is that? What did you do?
Don't worry, my friend. You know the old phrase. The more you know, the less you know. Oh, shit. The cops.
Good evening, sir. Were you successful? Sir, your ID.
Shut yourself down. I need to work. In silence.
Sir, if I may say something. Your situation is without a doubt far from happy, but it shouldn't lead you to suicidal thoughts.
What would you know about that? You're not alive.
That's not very nice, Richard.
What? Am I hurting your feelings?
I am registering that you're angry, sir, but you shouldn't take it out on me.
Oh, really? Why not? Didn't you say you belong to us? Everything here belongs to me, you get me? If I want, I can make scrap out of you. I could hack you up with an axe and not even pay a fine. Who's gonna stop me?
Of course, sir. But that wouldn't be very human.
Oh yes, my friend. It would be all too human. Yeah?
It's me. Just wanted to see if you're still alive.
I'm fine. But Phil...
Yeah, I know. Poor guy. But it's fine.
It's fine?
This is war, Richard. Losses are part of the game.
What were they doing in Doomsday?
They're nervous because of our campaign. Did you contact him already?
Newman? No.
Then do it. You can access the database in your Cloud Hub now.
I'm still not entirely sure how.
Tell Adam he needs to look for data fragments. We've already uploaded some for him. They're encrypted. Only he can see them. Or so I hope. He needs to find them and send them to your Cloud Hub. Begin with a keyword. When you find a fragment, upload it. Keep going until you have some remnant of intact memories we can use.
And if he doesn't believe me?
Improvise. You know him better than he does.
I'll call you back.
Hardly. But you'll be hearing from me.
Memento database. Fine. Data fragments, keywords. How am I supposed to understand this? Hive call. Newman, Adam. That must be him. Let's see if this Adam Newman person picks up now.
Cloud call service. Welcome. This contact is currently offline. Please hold. Closing cloud call. This contact.
Hive call service.
Connection failed.
This contact is currently offline.
Hold.
My name is Richard Nolan. I'm calling from Berlin.
From where? What kind of connection is this?
It's not so easy to explain. The connection is improvised.
You mean illegal, right?
Listen to me, Adam. This is important. I'm calling because I have reason to believe that...
Yes?
that you are a part of me.
What?
Let me explain.
No. Please, don't explain anything.
Adam, please.
Hey.
Hi, Lydia.
Hey.
What's up?
Nothing. I just wanted to hear your voice.
Okay, you've heard it now.
Am I disturbing you? Is Tracy there?
No, Tracy is not here.
But I'm still disturbing you.
Let's not start this again, okay?
How long do you think I'm going to play this game, Richard?
Lydia, listen, I really have to go. Let's talk later, okay?
You wanted to talk to Tracy months ago.
I have to go now, Lydia.
Closing cloud call.
What am I doing? I have to talk to Adam again. It's me again.
I can see that. I'm blocking this frequency now.
Adam, please, don't hang up. Did you receive anything? Some kind of data?
Data?
Data fragments, virtual constructs. I know it...
Wait. That thing in my apartment, that's yours? This, I don't know, hologram.
That must be it.
Well, just get it out of my wife's study.
Send it to me.
How can I?
It's data. Send it to my cloud address. I'll decrypt it and send it back to you.
What? No, why?
So you can take a look at it.
At your data? I don't even know you.
Yes, Adam, you do. You know me better than...
Okay, look. There has to be some kind of misunderstanding, sir. I'm gonna send you back your stuff now, and that's it. Goodbye. What a creep. Well, let's see if we can get this thing out of Amy's study.
You have 2 new messages.
Adam, please give me a call. I have to talk to you.
Adam, how are you? Uncle Jeremy is coming out of his cryo-sleep on Saturday. We're all meeting at the Wilsons' place. Are you coming? Family is important, Adam. Okay, I'll stop. See you soon. Lots of love.
What the hell am I doing here? Whoa. Okay, that was... All right. What now? Send it? From where? My cloud hub? Send it to me. Let's see.
Warning. The version number of this object is obsolete. Scan complete. Object ID recognized.
Oh.
Object sent successfully.
Cloud Hub prompt. You have new data from unknown.
Adam, finally. Let's see. This data is 18 years old. How far back does this database go? Sector 36, Berlin. The Doomsday, perhaps? Okay. Decode fragment. That's not... Damn. Okay. That's not it. Almost got it. There. I should upload it immediately. Okay.
Unknown has sent you new data to your cloud hub.
He actually did send me data. that? Where?
Out. Get going. Go.
Jerk.
You're completely off your head. Look at you.
This will have consequences.
Sure. Go home. Sleep it off.
That's incredible.
Hey, open up! I've lost something! Open up, you idiots! It's important!
Important? What's important? Who is that? Hello? Can you hear me?
Oh, they probably thrown it in the trash.
Apparently not.
They're still here. If I were you, I'd get out of here. You don't want to be hanging around here as a woman at this time of night. Especially not in your state.
Leave me alone. I'm looking for something.
Not here, you're not. Hey, darling. You all alone here?
Ugh.
Hey, I asked you something.
Leave me alone.
Why don't you come here?
Oh, get lost.
There's that Richard.
What's going on, honey?
Oh, well, I lost something.
I heard. You were making a lot of noise about it. Something important?
Well, for me it is. It's a lucky charm.
Hey, could I take a photo of you? You have a wonderful face, full of anguish. Beautiful. Don't worry, don't worry. I'm a scan photographer at Kurt's Labs. Here's my card. So if you want,
Thanks, but I really gotta go.
You should go home, honey. It's dangerous around here when the club closes.
Excuse me?
What's up?
I need help.
You left something in there. I heard you.
Yeah, I think they put it in the garbage back there.
And that old guy creeps you out. Got it.
You know him?
He hangs around here a bit, looks for scrap. He's mostly harmless.
Uh-huh. Mostly. Would you?
Have a word with him? Of course.
That would be great.
Come with me. Let's go over together.
He looks younger.
Hey, enough for today, okay?
Get lost, man. I'm busy.
The lady here is looking for something.
Lady should take care of her sweet neck. Everything here belongs to me.
You want me to call the cops?
You think I'm afraid of them?
We could try and find out.
Hey! All right. All right.
Oh, finally. Such a creep. Thanks for helping me out.
Not a problem. Should I help you look for it? What is it exactly?
My lucky charm? It's a music box. What's so funny?
You carry a music box around with you? That's really touching.
Listen, thanks again. I'll be fine alone.
Hey, I didn't mean to offend you.
No, it's all fine.
Okay. Can I do anything else?
No.
It's an important music box, isn't it?
I need it. Oh, damn it! Where is it? A cloud call? Oh no. Dad. What does he want now? There it is. Oh, thank God.
Ah, you can open it. I see. It's really important.
But what's it got to do with you?
You're right. I'm sorry. Hey, you think I could ask you out for a drink? My treat?
That's nice, but I have to make a cloud call now. It's all right. Hey, Daddy. It's me. Sorry that I didn't call earlier.
Don't worry. I don't have a lot to tell you.
How's Mom? Is everything okay? When's she getting out of the hospital?
She got out 3 weeks ago, Tracy.
Oh, what? Really? Why didn't you tell me?
I did tell you. We already talked about it.
Did we? Oh, when was that? I can't remember.
Listen, Tracy, you're completely wasted. That stuff is ruining your life.
Don't start with this again.
Your mother and I talked about it yesterday. We're both of the opinion that if you want to fall, then we'll let you. All the way. You won't wake up till you hit rock bottom.
What's that supposed to mean?
We've decided not to help you anymore, Tracy.
What?
You're not going to hear from us. And we don't want you to call. You'll receive no support and no money.
Daddy, you can't be serious.
Don't interrupt me. Do a detox. Get a job. Take responsibility yourself. Then and only then can you contact us. Not before then, you understand?
Are you guys crazy? You want to just cut me off entirely?
Take care of yourself, okay?
Daddy?
Tracy, look this way, please. Fantastic, thanks.
Where am I now?
A couple of questions, Tracy. Just quick, our readers love you.
Okay, I have a couple minutes. I hope nothing personal, okay?
How does it feel to be the Voice's new station avatar? How was the scan?
Fantastic. Now I can load my youth craze onto my avatar and grow old in peace. Not that I'm in a rush. Next question, please.
Tracy, the Voice Boston here. There's one question we keep hearing in our feed. How do you stay so fit? What's your secret?
I'm just trying to be myself. Everything else is out of my control.
And do you manage it?
What do you mean?
To stay yourself, to keep under control. Or do you use other ways to find yourself?
What are you getting at?
For example, say, substances.
Well, I drink herbal tea. That helps a lot. Next question?
Just herbal tea? Are you certain? You don't put anything else in there?
I've answered your question. Someone else?
Ted Beasley, The Guardian. Miss Dawson, you were in Moscow last autumn. A photo was taken of you with representatives of the Eastern Union. Is that not a slap in the face for your Western fans?
Yeah, who knows? Maybe I'm a secret agent for the East.
Are you not taking a very serious situation a bit too lightly, Miss Dawson?
Next question, please. And no more politics.
There are rumors that your parents have...
Excuse me. Miss Dawson will not take any more questions regarding her private life.
Okay, one more question.
What would you say to people that have claimed you're a junkie?
I don't talk with such people.
I have spoken to your father. He says...
As I said, nothing personal. Interview over.
Do you take drugs, Tracy?
Time's up. Thank you, everybody. Tracy, what is it?
Everything's fine. My bag. I just need to get my bag.
Maybe you left it at the coat check. Hurry up.
Must be some kind of VR. But what does all of this have to do with me?
Not here. My bag. God, where is my bag? Oh, nothing. Damn, where is it? Not here. Oh. Nothing. Damn, where is it?
Hey, are you okay? You look kind of worried. Yeah, you look a little pale. Come on, take a seat.
I need to get my stuff back.
Can I get you a drink?
Walter, cut it out, okay? You're too old for this. Let me take care of the lady. I apologize. Sometimes my colleague overestimates himself.
Oh ho!
Come on, Walter. You have to write in my edits, don't you?
Oh, fine. We'll see who's overestimating who.
Good. Now we're rid of him.
That wasn't very nice.
It's Walter. He can handle it. But he's right. You look pale, and you're shaking. Can I help you?
My bag. My bag is gone. It was just here. It was lying on the table.
What does it look like?
Like a bag. Black with a gold lock.
Was there something valuable in it?
It's not in here. It must be somewhere else.
Tracy, I believe this belongs to you?
Yes. Oh, thank God. Or where was it?
My assistant found it. It was lying upturned on the floor.
Tracy, this is Dr. Kurtz, director of Kurtz Institutes.
Tracy, I'd like to talk to you alone for a minute.
Excuse me, but we were just...
I didn't ask you. I asked Tracy.
Hey, wait a minute. Don't take that tone with me.
But it's exactly the tone you deserve.
I don't believe you know who I am.
I do, actually. And I believe your boss is waiting for you.
Richard! Can you come here, please?
This is a joke, right?
Now!
Fine, okay. Tracy, I have to go. Maybe we'll see each other again later?
Richard!
Coming.
Oh, sorry, we have to go.
I've arranged for your sky whale to wait.
What can I do for you?
I've been observing you for a while, Tracy. You are wonderful, perfect. I have some interesting work for you.
What is the work, sir?
You mind if I turn your bot off for just a second?
How did you do that?
I know the kill switch frequencies. I designed this model. Tracy, I'd like to have you on board for a project. A genetic exploration. You need not worry, it's completely safe. And you would be doing science a big favor.
Is it well paid?
I wouldn't worry about that. Come visit me at Kurtz Labs. I will tell you all the details.
Let me consider it, okay? I'll call you.
Do.
Oh, we are late. We have to go, Tracy.
Okay, I have to go.
See you soon.
Okay. What the hell was that? Hello.
Adam, thank God. So, can we talk now?
Yes. I have a couple of questions.
Sure.
About that data you sent me.
Yeah?
Was that you?
Yes.
Did you?
Yes, that's right. It's a piece of data from my life.
Why can I experience it? How did you do that?
I have access to a database, but the data is encrypted and virtual. The data can only be played virtually, where you are.
Okay. Where are you, did you say?
In Berlin. In reality, the physical world.
I don't know a Berlin. Is that like a VR or something?
It's reality. Your city is a VR.
My city isn't real.
You're not real.
Okay. That is insane. I'm hanging up.
Adam, you have a family, right? Just like me.
Yes. And I have to take care of them. John, my son, he isn't doing too well.
That's terrible. What's wrong?
He has to go to a clinic every day.
Is he sick?
He's upset. I had a cab accident, and his mother isn't here. She's working.
A cab? What happened?
I don't remember. Like I said, an accident.
You didn't have an accident, Adam. These are echoes from my memory. They've probably been modified. I had an accident. You understand? It was horrible. Tracy, She was with me in the car.
Tracy?
My wife. Does the name mean nothing to you?
My wife is called Amy. But there was a Tracy, in that...
Tracy? You saw Tracy? Where? When? Talk to me, Adam. Tell me everything. Did Tracy say anything? Did you notice anything?
Kurtz. Dr. Kurtz. In a wheelchair?
Raymond Kurtz, yeah. And? What does he have to do with Tracy?
Tracy and Kurtz were talking. He wanted her for a project. A genetic study.
A genetic study? Nothing else?
No.
Look around. There has to be another data set somewhere.
Listen, I don't think...
Send it to me. The more fragments you see, the better.
Sorry. I have to go now.
Who were you talking to?
What? Oh, just a hive call. It was... I don't know. Some guy called Richard.
Were you mad at him?
Mad? No. Just a difficult guy.
Kurtz. Maybe Walter isn't that crazy after all.
You have new cloud messages.
Hey, Richard, it's me, Jenny. Call me back, okay?
Do you know what, Richard? Screw you. Have a nice life with your model.
Hey, Jenny. Thanks for the message. Here I am.
Richard, thanks for calling me. Listen, I'm getting worried now. Have you heard anything at all?
Nothing. Steve is helping out. I'm very thankful.
Yeah. Listen, Richard, I wanted to apologize. I wasn't very nice to you on Sunday.
That's okay. Neither was I. It was all a bit too much for me. I was pretty exhausted.
So are you doing any better? Health-wise, I mean.
I think it's going to take a while. My memory, you know, a lot has come back to me, but there are also things... I might go back to the doctor again.
Hey, can I ask you something, Richard? Something personal?
Sure.
Do you love Tracy?
Well, what kind of a question is that? You know us, Jenny. We have James. We're a family.
No, that's not what I mean.
Of course I love her. How could you think... Wait a second. Are you in contact with Tracy? Is this her idea?
What?
She wants you to feel me out. That's what's going on.
No? What for?
What do I know? Maybe she wants to know if it's worth coming back to me. Or maybe she wants revenge. Just wants to make me suffer.
Richard!
Or she probably wants you to oversee the breakup. Tell me she's leaving me in stages.
Hey, are you completely insane?
You're in this together. You're not calling because you care about me.
Okay, Richard, this is just too stupid for me now.
Oh yeah, for me too.
You really need to see a doctor. Let me know when you're feeling better.
I repaired your spinet. I tuned it and I replaced the broken strings.
Did someone tell you to do that?
No, sir. I apologize.
So you're just doing things now? Since when is your kind just doing things?
I assume you want me to stop.
Keep going. Hi, Steve.
And? How was it in Doomsday? Did you clear up your expiration?
More or less. What about that man in my apartment? Did you make progress with the database?
Okay, Richard, listen to me. I don't know if it'll help you now, but I put his movement profile into MoveScan.
Who is it?
I don't know. For some reason, this database is coming up with more than one match.
I thought movement profiles were unique, like fingerprints.
Well, if you ask me, this whole MoveScan stuff doesn't work.
Can we meet up? I know you have a lot on your plate, but I have to know if you found anything out about the man Tracy was with.
Yeah, sure. I'm at the office.
Help our authorities fight illness and disease.
I have to talk to you, Steve.
Do you?
Yes, I think I have some real problems.
Actually, buddy, I knew that already.
Hey, Richard. Can't stay away, huh?
Hey, Richard, listen to me. I want to talk to you.
Okay.
Not here, though. Come with me.
Sure. Is this about Jennifer?
If you know already, why didn't you come to me?
Well, I thought time heals all wounds anyway, right?
You snap at my wife, blame her and accuse her with crazy conspiracy theories, and then you think you can just sit and wait it out?
I don't know what came over me. It's all a bit much for me at the moment. You can't imagine what
I don't care about all that. Whatever happened to you, it's no excuse for attacking your friends. You don't have that many. Now, if you keep going on like this, you'll have even fewer.
Steve, I'm sorry, okay?
Don't tell me. Tell Jenny.
What about the research? Will you still help me? Steve, please. You have no idea what I...
Yeah, just cut it out. You had an accident, yes, I get it. But you also had a life before your damned accident. You should try to get it back in order.
That's exactly what I'm trying.
Listen, I will help you, but I'm doing it for your family. For Tracy and the kid, okay?
Okay.
Good. Come with me. Come on, let's find your family.
Okay, Steve. Are these the MoveScan results?
You know we can both go to jail for this, right?
Let's start with the best matches. Christos... something... 89.6. Yilmaz, One, 99.6%. Might be it. Jack Oster, 82%. 84.3. Philip Osang. All right, now we only need the cloud contact. That can't be right. This is something. Start again. 99.7. Curtis, Peter.
Best match so far.
This is something. There. That's a hit.
Stanley White.
Does he have a profile?
Yep. With a cloud contact and everything. He's from here, see? Berlin.
Okay.
He looks different to the man in the video.
Yeah. Strange. I'll still call him, though. Something else, Steve. Do you have any material regarding Kurt's labs in the archives?
Don't tell me you're starting with that, too.
I just want to check something.
Sure. That's what Walter said. All that stuff is with him. Has been for ages.
I see. I had no idea what he's been doing since he went solo.
I wonder why that was.
I should talk to him again.
Would receive more funding in order to give the citizens of the West.
Hey, Walter. May I interrupt you for a second?
Hi, Richard.
What are you doing now?
Researching.
What about?
You wouldn't understand.
Try me.
Come on, Richard, stop it. We haven't worked together in an age. Do you know the last time you were in this office?
It's been a while, I know.
4 years.
That long already? You know, at some point, I just couldn't muster the courage to walk in here. I thought you were angry at me.
You did?
Yes. Because I left you hanging.
Oh, stop talking crap, Richard. Frank put me out to pasture, and you had more important things to do.
That's not true, and you know it.
Whatever. Why are you here? Small talk? If you like. How's Tracy? What's the kid up to? How's your career?
Walter, please.
What? Are we doing small talk or not?
Tracy and James have disappeared. I'm looking for them.
I thought so.
What do you mean you thought so?
Forget it. You know I'm a bit mad. Everybody does.
I need your help, Walter.
Go ask Frank. He'll help you, I'm sure.
He fired me.
Really? Well, Richard, that's how it is. Everybody's time comes.
Walter, listen. You've done research on Kurt's labs in the past, haven't you?
I have.
Do you still have the files?
Well, you're too late. There are things in motion that can't be stopped anymore.
I don't get it. What things?
You know, Richard, I've been doing a lot of thinking these past years. I used to think life was about finding the truth or getting justice or whatever.
It's not?
No, it's about life. Life and living. You just gotta be on the correct side.
Uh-huh. And what is the correct side?
We're all mortal. Sooner or later we all die. And then what? A gravestone, a bunch of paperwork, some data.
Okay, and?
Well, there are always two sides to every story, here and beyond. Life and death. 1 and 0. A binary system, you understand?
Actually, not at all.
You will. You're just taking your first steps.
Frank's right. You're actually insane.
Look, when you look into the mirror, Richard, what do you see?
Walter, listen.
What do you think you see yourself? No, what you see is matter. Nothing more. It's not you. It's completely replaceable.
You gotta get out more, Walter. Interact with some people.
Well, you could be right. And you know what? I will get out of here. Very soon, in fact.
That's good. Very good. Do you still have that house by the lake? I'd like to come visit you someday.
The house? Yeah, but, I don't need it anymore.
Why not? Where are you going? You're not planning anything stupid, Walter.
Don't worry about me.
Walter, about Tracy and James. I'm worried. Really worried.
They'll be fine. They'll take care of themselves. And you will too.
Listen, it's my family we're talking about.
Oh, why? You didn't seem to care about them before. Family, friends. I mean, you never had any time for anybody. Look, I'm sure Tracy knows what she's doing.
How can you say such a thing? I understand that you're disappointed, but you're portraying me as some sort of monster. These files. Can you even make sense of that mess?
They're not important anymore.
Okay, but what is all this? It just doesn't look healthy. Anatomical studies, neural networks, chemical formulas, architectural models. What the hell is going on, Walter? Are you writing some crazy diary or what?
Maybe.
But why? What's the meaning of it?
I told you, it's not important anymore. You can have it. The whole thing. I don't need it anymore.
Well, then... I'm coming back tomorrow, okay?
Sure. Of course.
No, really. I'm coming.
In Berlin overnight.